So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all.
Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer over on the right-hand side, along with a digital readout for the speedometer as well. And just to the left of that, you'll see the total miles for this car. They are 16,472. You can change the information that runs through the middle of that section. You can have your digital readout for the speedometer there, for example, as well as lots of other bits of info. You can also do the same thing over on the left-hand side and on the right-hand side as well. So loads of options with regards to the way you show information on there. You can also change the layout of the dials completely for various different styles. Eventually, back around to the beginning again, and all of that is done using the buttons just here. We've also got our stereo controls over there. Stereo controls continue on the left hand side with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit this button here. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. Over in the center, we then have the main touchscreen. So there are various different main menus that you can have available up here. They all do the same thing, they just show information differently. So for example, you've got your satellite navigation. We've done a full video showing how this sat nav works, which you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel. We've got our audio menu, and you can see there AM and DAB radio as well as internet radio. You can also, of course, listen to your own music as well from up here. Just hit the media button and you can see your options just there. We can pair up our telephone, and we can get various bits of vehicle information, fuel consumption, etc. up on there too. If I back out ever so slightly from the screen, we have a few other options down here that will show up on the screen. So we've got our driver assist menu. We have our climate control menu, so you can adjust your fan speed, direction of the air, the temperature. You can turn your air conditioning on or off from up here as well. And we've got our parking menu. So this car's got reversing sensors, but it's also got a visual guide to those sensors just there too. Underneath that, we have two USB-C inputs. We've got the button to start and stop the engine, and then a 6-speed manual gearbox.
All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.